P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There was a glass.
And that's it. He's not going out, Thomas, it's raining.
Come on then. Let's get a bit chilly on the old stuff. You really like dive into the old Tendingo. Let's get some scrandingo on the go. I'm hungry, guys. Let's get some food on. Let's get in the tent. Come on, let's get in the tent. Let's get some food on. And we'll finish off with the world famous Jacques.
Bound to do lesbionics at some point. Looking at some beans. Oh, this is just heaven.
There you go. Having freed Jeremy, the men started to beat him and he groaned. I wouldn't do that bare feet. I can't watch. Oh.
I'm assuming he's never got it wrong because he's still got an entire right foot.
So what have we learned? Well, obviously we've learned that our cars are much cheaper than their modern day equivalents and in real terms faster. But I think we'd all agree that they are looking a bit tired.
So we decided to spruce them up at the top secret Top Gear Antique Restoration Centre on the A451 just outside Kidderminster.
News here is the German-made hatchback. The German-made hatchback has exploded and all the British-made sports cars are working perfectly. Hang on. What? Won't start. Oh.
In a jiffy though, we got the fabulous TVR going again and set off.
It is extraordinary when you look at the British.
I'll head out before dawn. Try not to be late, will you? A chilly evening, gentlemen. Free by the road. Where's Robin Hood? Where are the jailers? The jailers are where jailers ought to be. In jail. I'm afraid we mislaid the key, but you could always break the door down. Where's Robin Hood? If you didn't meet him on the stairs.
There was a large thud heard in the control room, and at the same time, a pressure spike in the containment building, but it came straight down. There was not a lot of understanding of what it was, but the first reaction to it was to see if any. Within the next hour, radioactivity was getting into the control room.
There's only one little black and white shot, but where was the shot taken from?
We've got clues from Whispering Smith, so you tell me.
24 is the number we see in Whispering Smith when he hails a cab just over there, and 23 is the very house that Thelma looks down at from her room in Maitland Court.
And if you go back to that photograph of Michael Carreras and Jimmy Sangster sat on this wall that's before us, in the background you can see that.
You can. How about that? So we can be as confident as possible.
The dagger.
South America.
Yeah, that's right. You know, that has an interesting history. That used to belong to Carlos' great-grandfather. He was
was a witch doctor for a tribe on the Orinoco.
That's a fine old medical background.
Cornwall had a more interesting background than that. His father discovered a diamond mine and made him one of the richest natives of South America.
Wasn't that it?
Peter, can you come right away?
What's the matter?
Oh, man.
I found him in the ravine below the old water tower near the mine.
See if I...
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.